In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link to one-to-one emails in HubSpot. Whether you're managing customer relationships or navigating marketing campaigns, ensuring recipients have the option to unsubscribe from your emails is key to maintaining trust and compliance with email marketing regulations. Let's get started. First, you'll need to go to the HubSpot homepage. Open your browser and type in the HubSpot URL, or simply click on your bookmark if you have it saved. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Login button. You'll usually find it in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Now enter your login credentials. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you select the correct one for the email configuration you're about to adjust. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is your central point of navigation within the platform, from where you can access a variety of tools and settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if needed, as the dashboard can have numerous features depending on the permissions and add-ons your account might have. Now direct your attention to the settings gear icon, typically positioned in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to open up the settings page. You're looking for the email option within these settings. Unlike larger corporate communications, one-to-one emails don't automatically include unsubscribe links, so here is where you'll make that change. With the settings menu expanded, scroll until you spot email on the sidebar. Clicking on it will open up a number of email-related options and preferences. Navigate your way through these options to find the one pertaining to email compliance or subscription preferences. This might be listed as communication or preferences depending on your interface version. There should be an option labeled include unsubscribe link within this section. Once you find it, simply tick the checkbox next to it to enable this feature for your one-to-one emails. This action will ensure all future one-to-one emails incorporate a link allowing recipients to opt out. This is not only a best practice for communication transparency, but also keeps you in compliance with GDPR and other data protection regulations. After ticking the box, make sure to save any changes if prompted. Saving your changes ensures your settings are maintained across future emails you send. If you're unsure whether your updates have taken effect, send a test email to yourself or a colleague to verify the unsubscribe link is present. And that's it. By integrating an unsubscribe link into your one-to-one emails, you enhance the professionalism of your communications while respecting your recipients' preferences. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing in HubSpot.